As a designer, I often see furniture that's had its day. In this room, these leather sofas lasted over 20 years, which is amazing, but now it was time for a complete room refresh. We are going from furniture that is big and bulky and traditional to seating that is beautiful, clean, and contemporary. You don't always have to do a sectional. Sometimes you can eliminate the corner piece if you don't need that additional seating and do a sofa and a chair. In this case, that's what we did. It's our Mars sectional with great big huge 10-inch arms, and the welt at the bottom and up the arm makes it a little bit more transitional and feeling. Then on the opposite side of the room, to balance off that independent chair, we did a swivel chair with an ottoman, giant carpet, which is customizable. Actually, this carpet I have in my own home. I love it so much. And by making it that large, really does make that space look larger. In this project, we use champagne. It is so pretty. For accessories, we used these floral discs that were bronze because we didn't want to incorporate too much gold or champagne into the space. Two big pieces of art on either side of the fireplace with just a simple gold little wave going through it, and a big, beautiful, brand new mirror that we just got in gold. What a super huge change from their previous space. This room now looks beautiful, elegant, it's inviting. The family's gonna hang out here when they come over. I absolutely love it.